Let us understand pressure. The weight of an object in air is 7 kgs. If I place the same object under water, it will measure 5 kgs. Now what happened to the balance 2 kgs when placed in water? You can see that the level of water which has been at point A rises to point B, and this rise in water is due to the push of this object by the force acting on the object on behalf of the water. The water will push the object upwards, and this is the weight of the object pushes downwards by mg. But again the opposing force, the buoyant force of water, the liquid also has force which pushes the object upwards with similar force, and this force is nothing but Fb is nothing but the difference of weight between the object in air and object in water. And once again, this buoyant force is also equal to the water displaced into this container, and this water displaced will be equal to the difference of masses, which is 7 minus 5 2 kg. This water here, which has been pushed up due to the buoyant force, will be displaced into this container, and the mass of this and the weight of this water will be 2 kg, and therefore the buoyant force is equal to the displaced liquid, and this is the difference between the masses, weight of the object in air and weight of the object in water. So the Archimedes principle states that when a body is immersed fully or partially in a fluid, it experiences an upward thrust or the buoyant force that is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced. These two are equal, the displaced fluid. This is Fb is also called upthrust or the buoyant force, and this is the Archimedes principle.